Fixing your credit is one of the easiest things you can ever do. And I know you're going to say, Darain, well, if it was easy to fix my credit, why don't I have a 700 or 800? The first book I ever wrote on how to repair, rebuild, and restore your own credit. This book, I help thousands of people. I sold over 10,000 copies of this one book right here. Sold it, and I got so many emails and requests because I didn't cover everything in this book, right? So I had to write a second book. And when I wrote book, this video that I made on this book went viral. We had over 1 million views. This book, by far, was the most comprehensive credit repair manual ever made. And I can say that because I wrote it, number one. And number two, it's strictly consumer law based, incorporated with FICO, the credit pie chart, breaking down the entire credit system. Then a whole bunch of you came and said, Darain, while those two first books were amazing, we need more consumer law with consumer law strategies. And that's what led me to create the Forbidden Credit. And when I tell you that these three, make sure you can see them. These three books completely revolutionized and changed the whole game for credit repair. There are so many credit repair companies that built their entire business models from these three books. So what I'm going to do for you today, each book by itself sells for about $77 to $97 on my website. But for all three, I'm going to give them to you for $127. So all three will be available to you at $123. Now, some of you are going to say, well, Lorraine, it sounds great, but what makes these books so awesome? Well, when we talk about debt validation letters, and a lot of your credit repair, your favorite credit repair gurus are using these books to make content, right? So let's talk about, let's say, all right, civil liability for willful non-compliance. What does that mean? 15 USC 1681N. Any person who willfully fail, and you know that a person also means what? A corporation, a CRA, a debt collector, a furnisher. Any person who willfully fails to comply with requirements imposed under this title with respect to any consumer is liable to that consumer in an amount equal to the sum of or any actual damages. So basically, if you are damaged as a result of inaccurate information placed on your credit report, this book got you. Now let's pick randomly. Close my eyes. Okay. Let's see where we're at. We are at how to pull your credit report from annualcreditreport.com. All right, let's go over to the next page. Personal information update. All right, let's talk about that. When it comes to personal information update, ladies and gentlemen, believe it or not, your name, your address, your employment, these seems like, it's just my name, my address, my phone number, my email, my employment. And did you know that when a debt collector is looking to garnish wages, or when child support is looking to find where you work at, that's what they use, your credit report. If we're talking about your personal information, why would you be okay having four different variations? Four different variations of your name on your credit report. Do you know that when a lender pulls your credit report and they are reviewing the profile, if they're seeing four, five, six different name variations, they would automatically think, hey, this person is applying for credit, and these are the different aliases this person used. So because we don't know what's going on, we will not extend credit at this time. And some of you could be denied for credit for something as simple as you didn't know that there were four variations of your name. There's probably a name on your credit report that don't even belong to you, an address that has no affiliation with you. Maybe you and your father share the same name. So that's one of the reasons why you want to clean up personal information. Let's see again. All right, where's this? Okay, we are at the SCRA. Did you know that if you're in the military offers certain benefits to service members, where service members are capped active duty, or if you're on orders, at a maximum of 6%? So if you're paying more than 6% in interest rate and you want that reduced, all you got to do is send in your orders to the institution with a letter. There's already a template in here that you can use. Send it in, have your interest rate reduced to 6%, and for the duration of the orders, for the duration of the time that you've been on orders, they can backtrack the interest rate since you've been on orders, and the difference you can either apply that to the account or have them send you a check. All here. Now, forbidden credit, this right here is the holy grail. This is credit repair meeting consumer law, meeting case law. It is the most comprehensive, awesome, awesomest creation ever made in credit. All right. Oh, credit karma. Ugh. Now, in here, I'm giving examples of Credit Karma pulling my credit report so many times. I had to send them a notice of intent to sue, right? I had to send them a whole notice of intent to sue to get Credit Karma off my damn um, consumer reports. But when we skip a page, we go over to late payments. And most people don't even know that out of the 333 million to 335 million people in America right now, according to NerdWallet, 37% of these people, roughly 123 to 125 million Americans, have a payment listed as late on their credit report. Then what if I told you there's no such thing as a late payment and the whole notion of a late payment is just false? But Doreen, I was late. I never asked you if you were late. Don't care. Were they compliant in reporting the payment as late as per 15 USC 1666B, 15 USC 1637B, and 15 USC 1681 S27? See, if they are not in compliance, the late payment does not exist. So if you want all three, the link will be down in the description. The link will be in the description, which is below, right? The link will be down in the description, and you will be able to get all three. It gives you a comprehensive path, step by step, how you can repair, rebuild, restore your own credit using regular credit repair strategies, using consumer laws, using case laws. So it's an amazing, amazing offer. Just click below and the link will be there. So I guess I'll see you later.